the verdant blaze. Each horizon is a new beginning. Rise and reign. Far from the fjords and the ice-cold currents, brave and soar over new frontiers. Swords and sagas of a fate determined. Shields and spears.
Ja się ją obliczu.
House of labor or the thrill of plunder. Pull together for the clan and kin. Clank of hammers and the crash of thunder. Pound within.
I knew him as a man. I knew his weakness and his strength. But if you ask me, will we ever see his like again?
Valhalla calling me.
I would say no.
To pluck the strings of destiny.